the Amazon Basics micro SD 128 gigabyte micro SD card with adapter. So, dude, I needed this for a little spy cam that I got right here that I wanted to use as a nanny cam. Dude, this is how small this thing is. This is the adapter. All you do, let's see. Let's get that in there. You can see it goes in. The micro SD card just slides right in there, just like that. It's in place. Now, I just put it in. Put it in the computer there. And it pops right up on screen. And it's already recorded some of my footage. So I love how easy this thing is to work. It's got the adapter, so it easily just fits in a card reader, which I have on the side of my MacBook. But if you can also get USB card readers. This thing is super tiny. I can't believe it's 128 gigabytes, super useful. At the end of the day, it does what it says it does. This is the case that it comes in. It is what it is. It does what it says it does. I think you should get it because I got it.